This is a standard 6-joint industrial robot equipped with a high-performance laser welding head. The 6 rotary axes are designated J1 to J6, simulating the full range of motion freedom of a human arm from the waist to the wrist.
这个也是关节一，第一个关节，这是第二个关节，这是第三个关节，这是第四个关节，这里，这是第5个关节，对，这是第5个关节，这是第6个关节，
J1 axis. It rotates the entire robot, creating a wide horizontal work zone. J2 axis. It swings the main arm, setting the robot's vertical and forward reach. J3 axis. It extends the arm, working with the shoulder to maximize range. J4 axis. First wrist joint. It spins the welding torch, letting it roll into the perfect angle for the weld. J5 axis bends the torch up and down for full directional control. J6 axis finally adjusts the tool's rotation to perfect the laser's aim.